Hey everyone, welcome back. Is that your invoice total is showing wrong? So you might be doing a very common mistake that actually happens in Odoo 19, which is tax. The tax included versus tax excluded pricing. So what do you mean by that? So the tax included or excluded is actually you're just putting a particular tax amount on the total of your product. Okay. So it might be vary in different kind of product or the same product at the same time. Okay. So what do you mean by a tax excluded? You're just adding an additional charge of the tax such as 50% or 10% with the total of your product. So what about the tax included? You're just you're just including your tax inside your product cost. You're not just adding any additional cost. Okay. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply set up that using Odoo 19. So without getting any steps, let's get started. So basically this common mistake is happen based on the same product price can give different invoice totals or a vendable totals just because of one setting which is a tax included or tax excluded. Okay, so let's head over to the accounting module and let's figure out or let's configure the taxes first. Okay, so moving on to the accounting module, under the configuration there we have a tax. So by clicking on the taxes, now you can see that we have different kind of sales and purchase taxes. So here I'm just taking the sales taxes. You can apply this included and excluded for the sales and as well the purchase. It's mostly used on the purchase. So there we have different kind of confusion. It should be arriving. Okay. So for getting a solution for that confusion, you can simply understand this one. Okay. So here you can see this is the tax name. So here I'm just using this is as 50% and now you can see the tax computation is completely upon the percentage. And there we have the tax type which is the sales and there you can see the amount is there and there we have each and every kind of details. So imagine that if you're just putting the price of your product is 100 rupees, if you're just selling this product to any kind of customers, that particular amount which is 15 rupees is additionally added on your product price, or in some cases if you are just using as an included, it should be rounded off with the total of your product. So let me show you that. For that kind of purpose, I'm moving on to the advanced option. Now you can see the included price. This is actually provided as default, which means you should understand and you should remember one thing. In Odoo 19, it's showing as a defaulted way. It means that the tax is actually getting as excluded way, because every kind of organization or a business enterprise or anything that are actually using excluded versions. In some certain cases or some certain product only they are using included. So Odoo is defaultly setting taxes as default, which means it is actually the tax excluded. Okay, so now you can set it as default. And let's head over to the customer session, and here I'm just going to create a new invoice. Just create a new invoice by clicking on the new option. I'll show you what happened. So let me provide the customer name, which is open board. Once I'm done with that, let's add the line. So here I'm just providing a product name, which is table. Okay. And here I'm just providing the one quantity, and the price of that table is actually 200. And I want to add the tax. So now you can see, moving on to the search mode, there we have 50% of sales tax. If I'm just adding that, now you can see 50% of sales tax is additionally added. Okay, there we have $30 which is added additionally. So now you can see there we have 50%. If I'm just removing this, now you can see the total price is 200. But if I'm putting that as 50%, okay. Sorry, there we have 50%. If I'm just putting this as 50%, an additional amount of $30 is actually added on the total amount, which is 230. This is how you can configure and provide the tax excluded. And you can move on with the confirmation and do each and every kind of things. And now let me show you how you can provide a tax included and how it reflect on your invoice as well. Let me remove this. Moving on to the configuration itself, taxes. And I'm selecting the same tax that I just chosen for that invoice. Moving on to the advanced option, and I'm providing this as tax included. Once I'm done with that, let's hit the save button. After onwards, it is tax included, not in default price. If I'm moving on to the customer session, again I'm just creating a new invoice with the same product which is table. I'll show you what happened. Let me provide this as Anita Oliver. Once I'm done with that, I'm providing the same product which is table. and I'm giving the price which is 200 rupee. I'm sorry, $200. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to provide the 50% of tax. And now you can see the untaxed amount is actually 173.91. And you should understand the tax is included on the total price of your product, which means the price of the product is 200 and Odoo is actually calculating the total amount of that product, and it is actually not adding any additional amount, but it's including the tax which is 50 percentage with the amount. And now you can see after calculated onwards you will get $26.9. Okay, and the total amount is showing as 200. So the customer can see what the total price of the product is actually 200, but the tax is included, but the product price doesn't even change with an additional charge. Okay, so basically this is tax included. So that's how you can simply see the tax included versus tax excluded. But in certain company, they are using tax included and excluded. So we cannot configure that moving on to the configuration taxes and providing the correct tax tax configuration. That will be actually a difficult process. But here in invoice session as well, you can simply provide both of them. I'll show you how you can do that. Moving on to the configuration, let's discard this. Okay. So let's head over to the configuration under the taxes. And here I'm just taking the same tax, and now we are going to create a duplicate one. Okay, which is, this is already in tax included stage. Here I'm moving on to the advanced option and providing this as default, which is tax excluded. Let me hit the save button. After onwards, I'm just going to move on to the action side, duplicating this. And now you can see the tax name is there, and under the copy session here, I'm just going to provide this as included. Okay. So once I'm done with this, let's head over to the advanced option itself. I'm going to put this as tax included. Once I'm done with that, I'm just saving this manually, and you should understand one thing, the other option is doesn't even changed. Okay, I'm just duplicating each and every kind of configured option. Moving on to the advanced option, just change it the included price, which means I just created it as a tax included version. Okay, once I'm done with that, now let's head over to the customer side and let's create an invoice with both of them. How we can do that? He actually created two kind of taxes, which is 50% of sales tax excluded and 50% of sales tax included as well. I'll show you if I'm just creating with OpenBoard, taking the same product which is table, providing it as $200. Once I'm done with it, I want to provide the tax of my product. So first of all, here I'm using tax excluded. So there we have the tax excluded, which is the default price. And once I'm done with that, now you can see the total amount is showing as 230. And once you are done with that, you can confirm it. Okay. So here I'm just confirmed it. Now I'm going to duplicate the same thing. But here I'm providing this 50%. I'm removing this one and providing the tax included. Okay. So here we have the tax included that we have already created one. Once I'm done with that, now I'm going to confirm this option, and the same as the same, you can see that Odoo is included the tax, which you can see $200 as well. And I'm confirmed this, and moving on to the invoice session as well. Now you can see we have just created two product invoice with the same one. Okay, same product, you said the same product, same vendor, same customer. And we are also providing the different tax rule, which is first one is a tax. There we have tax excluded, and there we have the tax included as well. Now you can see the excluded one as well. How much is that without excluding that? And now you can see the total as well. Okay. So this is the common mistake that every persons are doing. So if you want to get that in a simple way, you can duplicate the same tax what you need to duplicate, and you can provide each of the option, and you can find out that from while you are creating an invoice or a vendor bill as well. Okay. So I hope you all understood this. So guys, I hope you all understood how to avoid this common mistake. Actually, this is very simple, but it's so important. So I'll be back with like this kind of tutorials in Odoo 19. So till that, bye-bye.